Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that will redefine your tech game. We're diving into the world of smart assistants with the Tidbit Screen. This bad boy isn't just a pretty pixel display. It's your new best friend when it comes to staying organized and informed. You can customize your Tidbit with apps for everything from weather updates to tracking currency exchange rates. No more endless scrolling on your phone. It might not pump out high-fidelity stereo, but those beeps, bops, and 8-bit tunes, they'll grab your attention when it matters most. Oh, and did I mention that it syncs up with Google Home? That means you can ask your voice assistant to do things like display the name of the song playing on Spotify right on your Tidbit screen. Tidbit's got a massive collection of over 500 apps on its website. So whether you're a productivity junkie or a social media fiend, you can tailor your Tidbit display to suit your needs perfectly. We're ditching those store-bought drinks and diving into the world of homemade goodness with this sleek kitchen gadget. You can craft your own sparkling water and all sorts of homemade beverages right in your own kitchen. No more settling for those drinks with questionable ingredients. With the Fusion Cap, you can tweak the carbonation levels to your heart's content, guaranteeing that perfect bubble balance every single time. You'll score the sparkling water maker itself a CO2 cylinder to give your drinks that fizzy kick. If you're all about keeping things spick and span, there's even a cleaning kit available. ACH CO2 cylinder can carbonate up to a whopping 16 gallons before needing a refill. That's a whole lot of homemade soda to quench your thirst. If you've been using that old tin can on a string to communicate from your treehouse to your buddy's place, it's time for an upgrade. Say hello to Tonar, the ultimate voice-controlled hands-free walkie-talkies. With Tonar, you and your best bud can stay connected with ease. Tonar works over Bluetooth 5.3 and is waterproof up to IPX6 standards, so you can count on them rain or shine. Whether you're cycling, hiking, skiing, or climbing, Tonar has your back. Now, you can chat with your buddy who's ahead of you on the trail, all while enjoying crystal clear sound thanks to Tonar's noise reduction feature. With a range of over 800 meters and 7 different channels to choose from, you'll never miss a beat. So whether you're exploring the great outdoors or just hanging out in your treehouse, Tonar's got you covered. We're diving into the world of digital security with the Protect 126i, your ultimate defense against digital threats and espionage. Equipped with a state-of-the-art wideband antenna, the Protect 126i can sniff out any suspicious transmissions that your adversaries might have planted in your lair. The Protect 126i features a wideband antenna that scans at lower frequency cues, as well as a micro-pointer microwave antenna with a long periodic directed antenna on the 2 GHz bandwidth. You can detect any wireless source, whether it's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, LTE, or anything else sending out a signal. And with the help of the intuitive bar graph display, you'll be able to visually pinpoint the exact location of these signals. It's like playing a game of hot and cold, but with your security on the line. Don't let the enemy catch you off guard. Arm yourself with the Protect 126i and stay one step ahead at all times. ChatGPT-powered holographic desktop companion by AI Holbox, the future of interactive AI technology. With the AI Holbox, you're not just getting an ordinary desktop companion, you're getting a revolutionary AI-powered assistant that's capable of understanding and responding to your every need. Whether you're looking for answers to your burning questions, seeking assistance with tasks, or simply craving some friendly conversation, the AI Holbox is here to help 24/7. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who loves cutting-edge technology, the AI Holbox is the perfect addition to your desktop setup. With its advanced voice recognition technology and personalized assistance, the AI Holbox adapts to your unique needs and preferences, making it truly your own. Whether you're using it for work, entertainment, or simply as a companion, the AI Holbox is the ultimate desktop assistant that's always there to lend a helping hand. Introducing the Clawmate, the world's pioneering 10-in-1 smart dog trainer. This innovative device is designed to revolutionize the way you train your furry friend. The Clawmate is here to revolutionize the way you interact with your furry friend, making training sessions more efficient, effective, and enjoyable than ever before. One of the standout features of the Clawmate is its remote control functionality. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly command your dog from a distance, allowing for greater flexibility and convenience during training sessions. In addition to remote control, the Clawmate also offers vibration, sound, and LED lights as training aids. These features can be customized to suit your dog's specific needs and preferences, making it easier to address behavioral issues and reinforce positive behaviors. The vibration function, for example, can be used to gently correct unwanted behaviors without causing harm or discomfort to your pet. The Clawmate's LED lights provide a visual cue that can be used to guide your dog during training exercises. This feature is particularly useful for teaching commands in low light conditions or for dogs with visual impairments. Tired of spending hours cleaning your floors only to find dust and debris lurking in hard-to-reach corners? The self-cleaning vacuum cleaner that promises a spotless experience, brought to you by Autobot. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or crumbs, the Autobot VX4 Max tackles messes with ease, leaving your floor sparkling clean every time. Equipped with advanced sensors and intelligent navigation technology, the Autobot VX4 Max effortlessly navigates around furniture and obstacles, ensuring thorough cleaning in every corner of your home. Plus, with its self-emptying dustbin and customizable cleaning modes, the Autobot VX4 Max adapts to your unique cleaning needs, providing a tailored experience for every home. Introducing Kun, the ultimate modular all-in-one multi-function cooker that's about to revolutionize your kitchen game. With Kun, you can mix and match different modules to create the perfect cooking setup for your needs. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, Kun has got you covered. Kun is also multifunctional. From frying and steaming to baking and grilling, there's nothing this cooker can't do. Plus, with its sleek design and intuitive interface, cooking has never been easier or more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into the world of smart speakers with the Echo Dot, the compact Alexa-enabled device that packs a punch. This little guy is perfect for those tight spaces, but don't let its size fool you. It's got some serious sound quality packed in. In fact, the Gen 2 Echo Dot delivers even louder and richer sound than its predecessor. With Amazon Music at your fingertips, you'll have access to millions of songs for all your listening needs. And thanks to Alexa, you can use your voice to do everything from ordering items for 2-day delivery to diving into audiobooks on Audible, and a wide range of options are now available. Alexa can set timers, check the weather, read the news, adjust thermostats, answer questions, and more. So if you're looking for a compact yet powerful smart speaker that does it all, look no further than the Echo Dot.